The results of the Mbose Class 12 Science and Commerce streams had been declared on the 30th of July 2021 at 11 a.m. The results can be accessed through megresults.nic.in, where students would have to enter their roll number and CAPTCHA code. While St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong had bagged the majority of the top 10 positions in all streams, a few positions had also been secured by students of St. Edmunds Higher Secondary School Shillong, Anderson Higher Secondary School Upper New NONGSTOIN, LABAN Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong, UMSHYRPI College and North Liberty Higher Secondary School, MOOKYRDOOP, JOWAI. Some of the position holders in the commerce and science streams have attributed their success to hard work, discipline and focus apart from obedience to parents. Let's listen to what they have to say about their achievement.
Keep up with the note keep I know hikai. Long discipline that so do I play on I so tăng tay nong và sang hard work discipline to storm crack out band into obey parents kata
actually working hard does play a role in it, but at the same time there are also students who have other difficulties, like they live in rural areas or they have a bad network, and that can also play a role in things. But at the end of the day, yes, working hard does play a big role in it.
What were your prep?
I think at the end of the day, it's important to just hope for the best, because no matter how bad it seems, it does work out in the end if you just keep on trying and not stopping, because stopping is the worst thing that you can do to yourself, actually. And I think it's just better to have people around you who are willing to support you and help you and who will not let you give up on yourself. That's just the best thing, really.
So what are you...
Right now, I'm preparing for my JEE entrance exams, and I hope to take up computer science, and I haven't really thought about anything beyond that yet. So,
Congratulations.
I'm quite glad that I got this position, and it's all because of my teachers and my sister and my mother. I'm quite glad that I got this position, and also there are several people who have helped me through this period, like financially, emotionally and socially. And one of them are my teachers. Most of them are my teachers, like Miss Wantina, Miss Atula, Sir Pavan Gupta and Sir Ramu Sharma, and also our principal. And also one more teacher who is my great motivator, Sir Kausik Ray, and my brother Sachit Bhaiya, and my relatives Tinku Chachu and all. I'm quite glad that because of them I have got this position. I'm quite glad that I got this position.